We're here talking about a La-Z-Boy chair. La-Z-Boy chairs are a little bit different and their power supplies kind of throw people off. So most folks' chairs coming out from the bottom where the motor is are going to have a two-prong connection that looks a lot like this, right? This is what most motor connections look like. However, if you'll come down here on a La-Z-Boy chair, it's actually a 5-prong male connection. So a lot of times people will go try and buy a power supply or get a battery to only find out that their battery is not going to work because they have 2-pin female connections. So today we're going to show you how you can get and connect your La-Z-Boy chair to either a power supply or a battery. So what you actually need is you need an adapter or a power supply that has a 5-pin female connection. And most of these are a 5-pin female connection and a 2-prong male connection. So with your typical power supply, which all these supplies you can find at our store, all these replacement parts to get your chair working, we have them all. But for this connection, you're simply going to plug your 2-prong connection into here, and then you'll notice that your 5-prong connection will go right down here into the chair and you'll get power. Now, to do a battery operation, pretty simple. We're just going to keep our same adapter and we'll disconnect this from the standard power supply and we'll plug it in here. Most of these batteries are going to have an out and an in. You'll see them. This one obviously has both a male and a female connection. So we're going to plug this into here, and now we have power to our chair. So again, this is the most important part, is making sure you have a 5-pin connection. This conversion cable is what really helps and can make all this happen. If you have any questions, of course, you can always contact us with all our contact information. Please like and subscribe. We create videos to try and make your life easier.